Hello everyone, I'm Azuka Azode and I'm your favorite business analyst, and I want to walk you through my project which I worked on, and it's from idea to MVP, the SipSplit journey. I had the privilege of serving as the business analyst for SipSplit, a peer-to-peer web app designed to make splitting group bills effortlessly transparent and fair. Over the last 11 weeks, I helped bridge the vision and execution, transforming ideas into clear, testable, and value driven requirements that guided our dev team, design team, QA team, and project owner. A quick overview about what we worked on for the 11 weeks. The SipSplit journey unfolds over 11 weeks, as we said earlier, each designed to ensure a comprehensive approach. In order to make this clearer, I divided them into subcategories so we can clearly have an overview on what we worked. The first 3 weeks were the discovery, the documentation, and the definition. This helped with establishing vision and strategy. Then the next weeks, that's week 4 to 6, was structuring, prioritizing, and prototyping. This week focused on designing user stories and enhancing collaboration. Also, week 7 to 9, we worked on testing, validation, and refinement, helped ensuring quality and alignment through structured tests. And then lastly, what we worked on for week 10 and 11 were reviewing the outcomes and preparing for the final demonstration. So this structured journey emphasizes effective communication and rigorous progress, setting a strong foundation for the project success. I'll walk you through how we evolved SipSplit from a simple idea into a functional tested MVP and what I learned along the way. Now, for the key activities and outcomes of the discovery. During week 1 to 3, we focused on defining our project, setting clear success metrics. We consulted our product canvas to outline the strategy and direction for SipSplit. Additionally, the first version of the product requirement document was developed by me, providing a clear, solid foundation for our project. We introduced a model that distinguishes between MVP features and future enhancement, ensuring we maintain focus on essential functionality. Lastly, we created a use case diagram to visualize the workflow and interactions within the SipSplit application. We began with the alignment, refining our vision and scope. I created the PRD as our single source of truth and led requirement sessions to shape the MVP, a 2-page website that splits the bill equally among friends. It took focus and iteration to get that clarity. On a side note, this project we're given a problem statement, so we do not have a place where we worked on a problem statement. The best we were able to do was to ensure that the problem statement was clear and concise with the team, and once we were able to do that on our PRD and the team was on the same page, we were able to kick off the project without any confusion. Talking more about weeks 4 to 6, this is for our structuring and prototyping. So during week 4 to 6, what we worked on is we refined our user stories and established clear acceptance criteria to guide development. We introduced the Moscow prioritization method to effectively categorize features based on necessity. Collaboration with our UX designer led to the creation of interactive Figma prototype, ensuring a user-centered approach. We prioritized accessibility and responsiveness to cater to diverse users. Throughout this phase, we treated the product requirement document as a living document, allowing for continuous updates and alignment with evolving project needs, fostering adaptability and clear communication with the team. These weeks were about structure and collaboration. We prioritized must-haves, aligned design with logic, and kept our PRD current as development evolved. One of my biggest takeaways: documentation is continuous. Week 7 to 9, what we worked on was testing and validation. During week 7 to 9, our focus was on ensuring quality and alignment in the SipSplit project. We meticulously mapped acceptance criteria into test cases, ensuring each criterion was linked to its corresponding user story. This connection facilitated comprehensive user acceptance testing to gather feedback from stakeholders and users alike. Through this process, we validated the project scope and identified any discrepancies through structured QA feedback. Consequently, we refined the product requirement document for alignment with our evolved understanding and insights gained during testing, fostering a robust foundation for the next phases. During these weeks, I worked closely with the QA to ensure full traceability. Each test case mapped to a story, so if something failed, we knew exactly what to fix. So our mentor feedback helped us simplify and align our documentation. The next week, which was for week 10 and week 11, our focus was our retrospective and reflection, while we're also preparing for the final presentation. So during these 2 weeks, we focused on finalizing our documentation, preparing for the executive demo. Key activities included reviewed documentation for consistency across all phases, finalize the product requirements document, the PRD, ensuring clarity and completeness, link test cases with user stories for true traceability, conducted retrospectives, so identify improved areas and celebrate success, prepared presentation material for the executive demo, emphasizing our journey and outcome. This meticulous preparation ensured a polished and professional presentation that highlighted our collective efforts and achievements. By this stage, we focused on quality assurance and demo preparation. We ensured every requirement linked to a business value, ready to showcase a productive collaboration and clarity. Key insights from the SipSplit journey. So throughout our journey with SipSplit, several key lessons have emerged. Continuous documentation builds clarity. Clarifying ambiguity saves hours of rework. Traceability connects business value to delivery, balance creativity with feasibility. These insights not only guided our approach but also enhanced our overall efficiency. By focusing on documentation and clarity, we cultivated a more unified team environment, ensuring everyone was aligned with project goals while maintaining a strong commitment to creativity, ultimately leading to a successful MVP. Project taught me that my value as a BA lies in translating intent, ensuring the UX designer, the dev, the QA, and the project team, that's the PO and the project manager, we all share one vision. It's about communication, structure, and alignment. For our deliverables, our key deliverables, we had the PRD, product requirements document, that is from my end, the use case diagram, user stories and acceptance criteria, test cases and traceability metrics, and not to mention a few which I collaborated on. Each deliverable plays a vital role in ensuring clarity, alignment, and effective communication throughout the project lifecycle. By documenting these elements, the team can successfully track progress, validate requirements, and maintain a shared understanding of project goals. This structured approach fosters collaboration and ensures the quality of the final product, paving the way for a successful launch. Proud to have delivered these documents, each aligning with the MVP's goal and supporting transparent collaboration. I'm celebrating these amazing team members of mine. Owner provided vision and direction. My developer transformed ideas into functional code. My UX designer ensured a user-centric design approach. My QA testers guaranteed quality through thorough testing. Then mentors and observers, they offered guidance and valuable feedback. Each role was crucial, showcasing how effective collaboration can lead to meaningful outcomes and a strong sense of ownership across the team. Together, we demonstrated the power of teamwork in achieving shared goals. Once more to my amazing team, thank you for your collaboration, creativity, and persistence. And also to the mentors and observers, thank you for your guidance. In conclusion, SipSplit wasn't just a project, it was a masterclass in structure, communication, and teamwork. And it was a learning journey that strengthened how I communicate, analyze, and collaborate. Thank you for the opportunity, and I look forward to having more amazing projects completed with this amazing team. So I hope this video was insightful. I hope it was helpful. You learned a thing or two. Also open to feedback. I'm open to discussions. I'm open to collaboration. You can find me here on this QR code and you can discuss with me anything you have in mind. My email is there and my LinkedIn is there. You have an amazing day and cheers. Don't forget to like this video on any platform you find it.